had started 3 successive games prior to that, so he's sat out with injury for quite some time as Aidan McCarthy goes on a foray forward.
Kaizer Chiefs playing Marumo Gallants at 7:30 tonight. I have created this formation and my predicted squad. The reason why I'm playing this formation, as Kaizer Chiefs, they are good at defending. We need to be more offensive. With playing this formation, we're going to be more offensive, so that through the channels we can create more offensive buffers, not defending, because we cannot keep on defending all the time. At least Mabu can play as E6, and then these two, they can attack. They can help the team by attacking, because they're going to make everyone play, especially those players in front of them, Uvelepai, the Silva, and no Batman. They're going to at least play. If these ones, these two creative players, and then they are more offensive, playing the ball, making sure that they dribbling, they are doing all the job. So I am telling you, we can win easily. I wish these coaches, they can see such things, so that when we are attacking, at least Monyane, he can come closer, not too much, but at least in this space, and then he can drop back when it's necessary and go forward, coming back, so that when he's there, Quinika at least he can come closer a little bit to come and help him, so that when we are having a problem, maybe a mistake, we can win the ball easily. Mabaso at least he can advance. Mabu he can advance, because at least he get tired very easily. Umabui, so he needs to play as a 6, so that he stays and occupy that space. And then McCarthy and Asondele, Maesondele kanjena, Batman naye, he has the opportunity to at least give his support, ukwenzela ukuthi at least ibhola mangabe liqhamuka kumabaso has the option maybe yokuthi aphase uVelepai or Batman. But when the ball at least lilapha, ulona naye engakhona ukuthi advance aye phambili uMonyane, wenzela ukuthi le space mangabe kunenkinga, then uKwinika can come and close that space. uMiguel abuye